Hello, beautiful souls. So, if you are feeling stuck in a connection where you're not in contact with the person in your mind, or the person thoughts keeps on coming on your mind and you don't know what to do about it, what is happening in this connection, then this reading is for you, Cancer. So, this is a general reading. Please take how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Alright, so let's see what do the cards have for you. Cancer, the person you're not in contact with, their current feeling, thoughts, basically current energies as well in this connection, and at last the advice for you. All right. So let's see what is the current energy in this connection where Cancer is feeling stuck with a person they are not in contact with. Current energies in this connection for Cancer. Current energies in this connection for Cancer. Right. Okay. You are kind of planning to move ahead in your life. You are like now, you and your person both basically. One of you is trying to make a move towards your growth, but the another person here in this connection I strongly feel is planning to move ahead in your life. See the Hermit. Yeah, this person is basically trying to figure out their own thoughts, or you may be trying to figure out what do you really want in your life. Where do you see yourself in the coming years? So it's kind of a self-interrogation going on. You have kind of kept yourself away from the social media, from the crowd, and you are trying to interrogate your own feelings. Same can go with the person. I think the roles can be reversed here. So it can be you or your the person's energy, Cancer, that you are trying to figure out, or they are trying to figure out what do they really want, what do they see, where do they see this connection, and that is why they are stuck. They are still stuck. You are still stuck in this connection. Yeah. Yep. So not able to move out, but at the same time feeling stuck in this connection, and somewhere this still stuck feeling is making this person comfortable. This person is feeling comfortable because they are not able to see things from a higher perspective, or you are not seeing things from a higher perspective and not able to decide where it is going, what do you want. So much of stuck energy, so much of lonely kind of energy I feel here. There's somebody here in this connection is tired of, yeah, see, tired of being in this energy of stuck. But honestly, everything is running in head. It's like you are trapped in your own, you know trapped by your own mind. Basically it's a mental cage. So whenever you want, you can come out of it. But as I said, either you or your person is too much comfortable in this stuck energy that they are like, I cannot do anything about it. My hands are tied. I don't know what to do, which way to go, what is happening. I don't know. It's like you do not want to see, or the person doesn't want to see. Basically, being in this victim mindset, what happened to me, why it happened to me. So basically, all you have to do is come out of this illusion, come out of this mental trap, and see where do you want to go in your life. Yeah, okay. Let's see why this person has gone silent here. Right, I will take this one. Because this person is not sure what do they want. See, Two of Wands and Two of Swords. This person is not sure what do they want. Not able to decide, basically. They are on crossroads, not listening to their intuition. Eyes are closed. Right? Not able to decide, on a crossroad, stuck. Not able to make a decision, not able to make a choice. Maybe at an emotional level, they are in a situation where they have to make a choice. Maybe for some of you, very few of you, I sense there is a choice between the person and the family. And since you both are equally important to this person, or you are going through this Cancer, that you have to make a choice either between the person or the family, and they both means equally important to you, and that is why you are not able to decide. basically your third eye chakra is closed, so you need to see things from a better perspective, from a higher perspective. And since you are not able to decide, this connection is blocked because you are taking too much of burden on yourself, and you're like trying to take everyone together, trying to keep everyone together, just trying to pull everything together and move ahead in life, which is kind of draining your energy like anything. And you are just kind of pushing yourself like, okay, I can do it, one more step, I can do it, one more step, I can do it. And it's kind of making you feel so much drained, but you are not giving up. Not giving up is a very good thing, but sometimes you need to shed your burden. Okay, only take what is important for you to carry, not everything. Okay, at least you can set the priority, right? What is important right now? Everything is not equally important. Sometimes it's about shedding off or letting go of the extra weight we have carried, right? Only then you can move with ease and by enjoying your journey, right? So just try to do that. Okay, let's see what is the next move of this person, if any, by next 10 to 15 days. In the next 10 to 15 days, what is the next move, if this person is going to take any, or you are going to take any. Yeah, this person is having, I think, so much of dominating energy as of now. Yeah, this person is somewhere, may take some time to reach out. I don't see within 10 days it's happening, maybe almost a month around. But right now they are having this energy of, I do not want to bow down. Okay, Cancer should reach out to me. Why should I reach out to Cancer? This is somewhere I feel this person is having in their mind, having that ego thing, which is like, I will not bow down to Cancer, let them do. Okay, what is the advice for you here? Do whatever is good for you. You have everything to work on. If you are taking, see, as I was saying, now you connect the cards here. You are taking everything all together at once, which is causing so much of heaviness, burden on you. Drop off whatever is not a priority right now. Only focus on what is priority. You have all the resources, you have all the knowledge, you have everything. Even you know what you want in your life. Just focus on your growth, focus on your work. Maybe if you are doing some spiritual practice, focus on that, because as you're connected at a spiritual level, you get so many of insights which helps you to decide what you want in your life. Okay, so just focus on your work and take the action which you intuitively feel is good for you. Okay, so just, you have everything you need to go ahead and work towards whatever you want. You want to move, take a move towards this person and communicate, do that. If you think you are done with this connection, anyway, you have to analyze what is that you really want in your life, right? So focus on that, and once you have an answer, take an action towards it. Okay, because magician is someone who knows what they have to do, right? So just be a magician and work towards what you want. Okay, so that's the energy for you, Cancer. It's a good one. Yeah, just everything is in your hand. Just set yourself free from the mental cage and do what is good for you. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.